26. Clear takeoff 24 left, good with 404. Right, line up and wait. 25 line up and wait, Delta 2016. Guy with 6993, Los Angeles Airline, Bravo, taxi for me. You want the extra front of Continental? I've heard of. Okay. Channel 40, Los Angeles, Bravo, RJ off your left, and taxi to full lane. And we'll go full lane, Continental 40. 404, happy holidays. Heavy 07 Heavy. Yes, 7 Heavy to Los Angeles. Wilco, runway 25 left, to land. Clear to land, V07 Heavy. 2401, Hyundai, visual 25 left. 2401, Los Angeles, on a heavy 777 out of mark, evaluation of Wilco, runway 25 left, to land. Clear land, 25 left, top 0, left, right, 2401. That's 26 April, correct, no takeoff. 25 right, clear takeoff, Delta 2068. Go, 1093, contact with 25 right, minus the wing. Line up and wait, 25 right, status 6993.
Welcome aboard. Before we depart, please remove the safety card from the seat pocket in front of you and follow along as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. We appreciate your complete attention to this important safety information. If you're seated in an exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an emergency. If you are unable to perform the functions described on the safety card, then please advise the flight attendant for reseating at the end of this video. To fasten your seatbelt low and tight against your lap, insert the metal fitting into the buckle. Tighten the belt by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift up the buckle flap. When the seatbelt sign is illuminated, immediately be seated and buckle up. To ensure your safety, your seatbelt should be fastened at all times when you are seated. There are 2 exit doors in this aircraft. Each exit is marked with a sign overhead. The main doors open by moving the large handle in the direction of the arrow. Open the overwing exits by removing the cover and pulling down on the marked handle. When you are on the ground, move away from the airplane. Look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. In some cases, your nearest usable exit may be behind you. In an evacuation, exit path lights will illuminate to guide you to an exit. Your seat bottom cushion can be used for flotation in a water landing. To use, pull the cushion from the seat, put your arms through the straps, and hug the cushion to your chest. As shown on the safety card. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. To start the flow of oxygen, firmly pull the mask towards you to extend the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Put the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps as necessary. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen will flow to the mask. Secure your mask before helping others and continue using until directed by a crew member. This is a non-smoking airline. Law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Law also requires customers to comply with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. Please ensure your carry-on items and tray tables are stowed. Your seat back is in full upright position, headrest stowed, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Be sure that laptops, computers, cell phones, and all personal electronics are turned off and properly stowed. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all carry-on items behind. If you have any questions regarding safety, please ask the flight attendant. On behalf of your flight crew, thank you for your attention. It is our pleasure to have you aboard, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
American 2416, Los Angeles, taxi for lane. Following Mark 2416. American 118, Los Angeles, taxi for lane. Full lane, American 157. 41, wind calm, runway 24 left, perfect takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 24 left, south 1441.
15.6, turn to runway 24 left, line up and wait.
That was 1526, line up and wait, 24 left.
Delta 2068, that's Tokyo departure. Good day.
Good day, sir, Delta 2068. Well, approach United Tower, United 894, outside of Honda.
United 894, Los Angeles, following a Boeing 737 out of mark, the wind calm, runway 25 left, still end.
Sorry, line 25 left, United 894.
Skywest 6793, wind calm, runway 25 right, close takeoff.
Takeoff 25 right, Skywest 6993.
Now, 40 runway 25 right, line up wait for the RJ site.
Positive rate